is not our class content.
No class?
Not class content. This is for Gyan.
Oh.
Not for you to translate.
Okay.
Okay.
那个上课的时候就把手机关上。
Start.
大伟，你开始了没有？
他没来，先不管。
没有，他是
还没到时间呢
他是先录那个。
不是老师他那个，因为这个是给中国以家在线，他需要提前10分钟要有一段那个。咱们上课的时候，那个我这个手机调成静音，就把手机都关掉。
So keep the button on.
Not yet.
She can start. It's not related with the class. Just tell her.
徐静他说可以开始。
就开始吧。
Yeah. No.
我这边已经开始记录了。
Oh, it's already started.
Really?
Yeah.
不过没关系，回头可以剪掉。
Okay. Start. 大家好，你好。Welcome to China Yoga Online. We are introducing new concept of yoga therapy, which is mainly based on yoga in terms of integrated medical yoga therapy. We are using the patterns of asanas, pranayamas, meditations related with specific diseases. Before going to integrated medical yoga therapy introduction, I would like to tell about integrated medicine. See, modern world, modern times, modern medicines is mainly focusing on physical body and absolutely mainly on the medicines part and surgery part, and it is ignoring other dimension of possible treatments which we are going to see here in this particular complex modern therapy circle. In this we are showing importance of nutrition in the therapy, importance of cultural background in the acceptance or the rejection of therapy, importance of life-saving medicines in the therapy. Most important is prevention. This prevention and mind-body medicine we are integrating in integrated medical yoga therapy. So prevention is at most important. And mind-body medicine. Modern times diseases are mainly related to modern lifestyle, modern fast-based, stress-based industry. So the related diseases are also accompanying, which are related with mind mainly. They say disease starts in the mind first and then it percolates or invades into the body. So aspects of mind-body medicine in the treatment is also very essential. So subtle energies in the form of chi or prana or energy are also very important. So surgery if necessary, only if necessary, surgery is indicated. Manual therapies like massage techniques, acupuncture, acupressure, chiropractice, all these things are essential. So all these aspects or dimensions of treatment are essentially should be based on research, or what I should say, evidence-based modern therapies with intelligent integration of ancient technologies like yoga, tai chi and other important techniques. And one more important aspect of herbal or botanical or say inclusion of nutrition and herbal together is also very important in terms of treating disease. So with this complete wheel, we are trying to integrate this evidence-based wheel of medical therapy along with existence of five different koshas of our body. Those are physical body, vital body, emotional body, intellectual body and bliss body. So what we are introducing from China Yoga Online for the first time in entire China is evidence-based integrated modern medical and yoga therapy. So what the word evidence, what I mean here is all the techniques are based on some research done in the previous research works. So this is what we are introducing for all the people of China. All the yoga students who are interested in learning this kind of integrated medical therapies are welcome. Thank you.